Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Penny and I'm here to make you smarter with your money. In 2025, the investment landscape is brimming with opportunities, especially for those looking to start with $1,000. From stocks and ETFs to cryptocurrencies and real estate crowdfunding, there are diverse avenues to explore. This video will guide you through the most promising options available this year, helping you navigate the complexities of each choice. As we delve into these investment opportunities, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of making informed decisions. Understanding market trends and potential risks can significantly impact your financial future. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, stay tuned as we uncover the best ways to make your $1,000 work for you. Stock market investments. Investing in the stock market can be an exciting way for Penny to grow her $1,000. She can choose to invest in individual stocks or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, each offering unique benefits. Individual stocks allow for targeted investments in companies she believes in, while ETFs provide diversification across multiple stocks, reducing risk. However, thorough research is essential before making any investment. Understanding a company's financial health, market position, and growth potential can significantly influence her success. It's important to remember that while stock market investments can yield high rewards, they also come with risks, including market volatility. Balancing these factors will help Penny make informed decisions on her investment journey. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding is an innovative investment option that allows Penny to enter the property market with lower capital. Instead of needing a large sum for a down payment, she can invest her $1,000 through platforms that offer fractional ownership in various properties. These platforms pool funds from multiple investors to finance real estate projects, making it accessible for those with limited resources. While the potential returns can be attractive, often yielding passive income and appreciation, it's essential to be aware of the risks involved, such as market fluctuations and project delays. By understanding both the rewards and challenges, Penny can make informed decisions in her real estate investment journey. Cryptocurrency investments. Investing in cryptocurrencies presents an exciting opportunity for Penny to diversify her portfolio. Popular options like Bitcoin and Ethereum have gained significant attention for their potential to deliver high returns. The crypto market is known for its volatility, which means prices can soar or plummet in a short period, creating both opportunities and risks. While the potential for substantial gains is enticing, it's crucial for Penny to approach this investment with caution. Conducting thorough research on different cryptocurrencies, understanding market trends, and staying updated on news can help her navigate this dynamic landscape. By being informed and cautious, Penny can make smarter decisions in her cryptocurrency investment journey. Robo-advisors. Robo-advisors offer a fantastic way for Penny to engage in automated investing, especially as a beginner. These platforms simplify the investment process by creating diversified portfolios tailored to her risk tolerance and financial goals. By answering a few questions about her preferences, robo-advisors can recommend a mix of assets, ensuring a balanced approach to investing. One of the standout benefits is the low fees associated with these services, making them an affordable option compared to traditional financial advisors. This cost-effectiveness, combined with the ease of use and automated management, allows Penny to invest confidently and focus on her long-term financial growth without the stress of constant monitoring. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is an intriguing investment avenue for Penny, allowing her to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. These platforms connect borrowers with investors, enabling Penny to earn interest on the loans she provides. One of the main benefits of P2P lending is the potential for higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts or bonds. However, it's essential to be aware of the risks involved, particularly the possibility of borrower defaults, which can lead to losses. Additionally, the reliability of the lending platform is crucial. Penny should research and choose reputable platforms to ensure her investments are secure and well managed. Conclusion. In this video, we explored several investment options for Penny's $1,000, including stock market investments, real estate crowdfunding, cryptocurrency, robo-advisors, and peer-to-peer lending. Each strategy offers unique benefits and potential returns, but it's crucial to remember the importance of thorough research and effective risk management. By understanding the ins and outs of each investment avenue, Penny can make informed decisions that align with her financial goals. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to enhance your investment journey.